Hi everyone, this is Marriott from Decibels Lab, our team is at Dragon. Today I am here in Bhartiya Skill Development University Jaipur. In the association with the university, we have set up the EV lab to fulfill the academic needs. So this is India's first university where full country developed the skill-oriented program, and it is going to follow the innovative dual system. And by this, in collaboration with this university, Decibels Lab, Private Limited Bangalore, has been set up this EV lab at this university campus. This EV lab is to bring the skill sets according to the industry requirement. So this university is going to follow whatever the job opportunities have a skill set which is needed in the industry. According to that, they will go to design courses and they will go to set up the lab. As a part of this lab, the first equipment is GTM battery flash manufacturing. Here, the students can do their own battery flash according to the capacity as well as voltage required. So someone, as a student or people would like to build the battery at lithium-ion cell. So using lithium-ion cell, so or something like that. So by using the specification which is available from the data sheet of that cell, they can build the battery pack according to the requirement. Here you have one spot welding machine along the required components to build the battery pack. Even Powertrain demonstration here, the development will get exposure to all the components of EV, how they are integrated in the segment. As well, so here you can see the different cell formats, electrical cell, prismatic cell, whole cell, even what are the application of using this different type of cells in EV vehicle. Along with that, here the model is also exposure for wires, how, what is the difference between wire and shape, what is the indication of all these students can get exposure here. There are different types of battery packs we have here. Here you can see the 6 has 1 battery pack, C for 2 battery pack. So here the 6 cylinder, 1 parallel combination we have with the here you can see different type of battery pack combination. Then here also we can observe the different type of BMS. So BMS is the laser operating EV. So this BMS is active with the battery pack. So the battery pack is used in Insulated and the discharge and charging volume has been monitored from the BMS. Here, students will check for what is where the BMS is going, and where the prospect BMS is 0, and where the is a contactor based BMS reporting. So what is the difference between them? All these things we will learn this BMS archive. Then next, moving for the different of charges is combined charging system type 2, like different type of adapters and connectors or different application where this type of connector will be used. And here students will get a visual exposure for the different type of chargers on the two-wheeler as well as for settlement. And also here you can see the DC-DC converter as well as the concept of the software is very DC-DC converter using here to start down the voltage, because when you see the other maximum getting exit of as the coding is good. So the headline, indicator, dashboard, we should be working toward only convert the order to the voltage or the coding voltage or something like that. So it will just come down the voltage of that we are working in this case converter. We will transfer to the voltage section, the student will exposure. And then student will also get exposure for rotor as well as the rotor. So it will be normally this type of products of the used in two-wheeler vehicles, and the two-wheeler products normally it will be used with like EV vehicles. So here see the conception, what is the state of rotor, what is the rotor conception, how it has been integrated into the rotor. These are all components of the EV demonstration lab. And how part of the requirements are at a major effects for one is the year this from what's EV power shape setup. So it's like complete with this power doing setup is completely double and good to make it the second flat and here You can say complete the entire vehicle in both the scene and the pop up with day one. And student will get exposure to all the subcomponents, all the components of the all the integration has been made. And you can with the learner also this different networks. Tentative different of experiments, motor testing experiment and motor park experiment, also reachability, reliability, battery track, all this experiment, more than 10 experiments were not the candidate from used was our entry, and also student with them who to be calculated Powertrain integration as well as the BMS or how the BMS has been integrated with this vehicle. All these things will go to get the cross from this company. And on the day, you can also create all conditions in the paper. So you can inform the students how this have all this for condition here rectified. So all things you get good from this Powertrain setup. The whole objective of this system which we got to lab, as I mentioned, the student need to get exposure for all the EV working nature of the EV and all the components and all the points of the EV in academic graduation time itself. And so once he graduated according to industrial requirement and can able to get a job on that basis, this lab has been developed in this within a campus. So now what we have is there on the phase 1 lab. In the phase 2 lab, we have a plan to establish focusing on board on it, one week as well as the work on a test and more relevant to the R&D input. Thank you.